Create composition in After Effects. Import your image. Click on the image, and right-click, Mask, New Mask. Click on Pen tool, and start drawing the line. We see that we have the mask now which attach with the image. Don't forget to save your file occasionally. After that, go to Effect, Particle Illusion. I link the particle illusion tutorial in the description. Put transform tracking to emitter. Click on launch particle illusion. Now we going to just pick the glitter sparkle. Click on trail, and click on connect to birth position. And set life to 200. Click apply. Over here, select take path from. Put mask and text. And go to offset mask and text. At mask and text layer, select our image layer. And go to 3-second clip time. At path location, put 1, it mean 1 revolution, and put keyframe. Go to 0 clip time, and put 0 revolution. Our emitter not yet moving. At choose path, put choose single mask. At single path, put mask 2. Now it moved properly. We want to stop emitter after at 3 seconds clip. So go to particle property. Put keyframe at life like so. Go back to particle illusion. Change the color here. We assign weight to the particle so it can be affected by force. Let add a force. And assign the force to project to the left side. Beautiful. Click Apply and render in After Effects. We are done. Subscribe, my friend.